Alright, this is the modified version of the original mini kukri or micro kukri, whatever you want to call it, that I've done a first impression review in a previous video not long ago. So, afterwards I've actually done some modifications on it. Can you tell that the grip is covered in a layer of hemp rope? The original grip was just consisting of two handle scales that are made of some wood, some dark brown to reddish brown type of wood, and then there is an exposed tang, full width tang. And what I did is that I used a vise to hold the blade tight, and then I tightly woven the hemp cord around the handle. And as you can see, like this, the top of the handle is a bit thinner and the base is a bit thicker. It's because when I started weaving it, I had the two first layers of the rope, the cord, done around the notch of the kukri and the base behind the notch. So a tiny part of the blade was covered in this cord, and as you can tell in the other end of the handle, there are two knots. Why? Because when I first tied the first knot, there turned out to be like this much of excess cord left, and then I tied another knot at the end of that excess bit, and then I wrapped it all around the base of the handle to give it a thicker base. So when you're holding it like this, if you've got medium-sized hands like me, if you've got big fingers, then do this, then it prevents your fingers from sliding off the handle. It also helps you index where the knife is if you're wearing it either on your belt or as a boot knife, because it helps you feel where it is without even seeing. So the original one had nothing holding the knife, the handle of it, with the sheath, because there's no loop here to go around the handle. So what I did to solve this problem and prevent it from falling is that I would first of all put it like this, slightly widen the throat of the sheath a little bit, and then stuff the first part of the cord wrapped handle into the sheath, so it's wedged in tightly with the friction of the hemp, so it doesn't fall that easily. So why do I choose this kind of hemp cord that is originally intended for gardening over other more secure materials, let's say leather, duct tape, hockey tape? Why? It's because it gives the entire knife a more organic and traditional appearance. Those other materials just doesn't look that way, and hemp also suits the overall appearance of the sheath and the blade much better than those. So that's pretty much all I have to say in this video. Thank you for watching.